do we have a very interesting recipe for you. We're here with Giovanni at Uncle Giuseppe's Marketplace, and I'm pretty excited about this one. What are we making?
We're making tripe fra diavolo. Okay, so first things first, this is a piece of tripe. We're gonna cut it into like strips. We're gonna take this, we're gonna put it in boiling water. 1 hour exactly. So after an hour, we're gonna take it all out, and then we're gonna replace the pot with a saute pan, and we're gonna build the sauce with it, all right?
All right.
So into the water it goes. All right, see you in an hour. So we're just gonna take it out of here, and now we're gonna build the sauce, right?
Fun.
So I'm gonna take olive oil, a tablespoon of garlic, and depending on your heat level,
You know me with this.
I like it spicy.
Yes.
This is diced cherry peppers. My trick is, a lot of people put the sauce in to stop the cooking process. I put the tripe in. I'm stopping the cooking process, and I'm also incorporating that cherry peppers and the garlic into the tripe. You know, all I want to do is bring this up to a simmer, and we're ready to go, and I'm gonna plate. This is my childhood right here.
Right here.
It really is. Just a little basil to finish it off. Gonna mix it in a little bit. That looks fantastic. This dish I wouldn't put cheese on.
Just the way it is.
Just the way it is. Tripe Fra Diavolo.
There you go. And if you'd like to try this recipe, head to our website, news12.com. You'll find it there. Be adventurous. Go for it. Thanks, Giovanni.
You're very welcome.